Salad, salad, salad. I love salad. Is this a little arugula protector?
It's a pocket square.
Don't mind if I do.
Candied walnuts.
Simple as
They're
that.
so addicting. How do you not eat more of that than the salad?
They're so good.
It's nuts.
You know what they're best in? It's nuts. Very nice.
Huh.
I think they go best in salads.
They do, because especially arugula salads like this, because it's like the bitterness of the arugula, sweet of the nuts, and then like the sharpness of this pecorino, salty,
Earthy
and the
mushrooms. Yeah. You know, before I met you, Grace, I wasn't much of a salad guy. I didn't really go
Or
out
vegetables.
or order a salad. But you know what? I met you, and now you make salads often, and I love them. So, and especially this
And
one.
you like
This
putting
actually,
arugula in your little...
in my little pocket.
Yeah.
This is my favorite salad ever. How do we start? Salads are simple, right?
Let's do it. Yes, super simple. We have arugula, a nice pile of greens, and then we're going to add to it some mushrooms. So we just got some white, you can use white mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms. I like to get them whole instead of sliced, because sometimes when you get the sliced ones, there's like dirt in the slices, and it's like...
Cleaning mushrooms is tough. So you
easier to do
wipe
it
them,
whole.
like paper towel wipe them, right?
Yeah, you just take like a damp towel or a paper towel and just wipe the dirt off of them, or else you're gonna be eating dirt. And I like keeping the stems on.
Oh, I was just gonna rip that off, so that's good.
But you can take them off. I feel like it makes it look like so pretty, but you can take them off.
This is like quintessential mushroom. Look at that.
Now that you're saying this, I feel like it just looks so ridiculous. Ding, 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 ding.
I'm gonna take some off, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, last one.
Do I get one to eat? Thank
Yes, me too.
you.
Okay,
So good.
mushrooms are in. What's next?
Mushrooms are flying everywhere.
They're everywhere. In my mouth, on the floor.
Then some candied walnuts. You can get them pre-canned. I need to swallow this mushroom.
Give me the candied nuts. Give me the nuts.
No, we've eaten so much, there's barely
All
any
right,
left
I'll
in
pour
this
them
bowl.
in. So in,
You're gonna go like this
in
too.
candied nuts
He's
go.
gonna, yeah, sprinkle them. Oh,
Look at that. Beautiful.
you get the ones from the counter. You're like a vacuum. Then dressing. So the dressing for this is very, very simple. So we just have some fresh garlic here.
You're the queen of simple dressings, right? This is just,
Oh yeah, so you love your balsamic dressing.
I
so just a little
love
garlic.
vinegar dressings.
And then we have some balsamic vinegar.
My favorite.
And, you know, using really nice, good quality kind of like mellows the vinegar out. So you actually need like a little bit more vinegar to olive oil ratio when you use good quality vinegar, if that makes sense.
Interesting.
So I'm gonna add that right in there. And then here, I gotta do an Eric.
Oh God, Grace, be careful. Careful. Yum.
Okay,
So
a lot
I
of
learned
olive
something
oil in
here.
there.
So it's olive oil, balsamic, and garlic. You
Yes.
really have to whisk this for it to combine, because oil and vinegar
Really
do not
separate. A little salt
together.
in there. Salt it up. And then do you wanna whisk it?
Yeah, I'll show them
Do
how to
the
whisk it. Here we
honors.
go. I'm a lefty.
You hold the whisk.
Okay, it's how I
Quite
hold.
oddly.
It's how I hold a pencil. Yeah, see how it's thickening now? Do I put this right in?
It goes right in. And so we're gonna be adding some pecorino to the salad, but I like my pecorino in shavings in the salad, because pecorino to me, if you kind of like grate it and then put it in the salad, it's a little too sharp and assertive. So I like to put shavings on the top. Don't mix the shavings in, because if you mix the shavings in, then they just snap and like dissolve into gratings. So
Gratings or shavings. So stir this up a little bit. Wow. I mean, I could eat this right now, but with the addition of cheese is always
fabulous.
fab.
This looks perfectly tossed. I don't know if I want to wait any longer.
It's fine by me. You have to show everyone how to do your shavings.
Shall we plate this, or
Oh,
shall
sure,
we
I like that.
just be savages?
Let's plate
and
it.
Just eat it out of the
I like that. Let's plate it.
That
Good.
is beautiful.
Okay.
So we have our little salad, and then the final touch is pecorino. To me, pecorino and mushrooms and balsamic is like
Totally
such
agree.
an amazing combo. Just that was such a
Yum.
weak.
Ooh. Come on, she got to shave better than that.
I'm struggling.
One thing I didn't realize, did we put black pepper on the top of this?
Yes,
Or
but
optional?
you broke the pepper grinder, so
Okay.
we're out of pepper, everyone.
I break one thing too many. One thing too many.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more mushroom on the top just so it looks a little bit more beautiful. Let's give this a try.
Wow, okay. With what, our hands?
Oh.
Mushroom time, let's go.
Did you get a cheat?
Yeah,
Ooh,
I
you
did.
did. Ooh,
Cheers.
this is gonna be a messy bite. Here we go.
So delicious.
That is so good. What is your one word about this salad? Only one.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
Eric left me with 2 forks, so I'm eating. You can talk.
Check this out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it.
Bye. You is forever, ever, ever is me. Can I throw the last one in?
Yeah. We're not on the last one. Ricardo.
How do you have all these crazy nicknames?
Ricardo.
Ricky
Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Ricky Ricardo.
I can't roll my tongue.
My sister had a crush on Ricky
Oh.
Ricardo.